That's a big fish.
Yes, it is. All right, here we have Michael. He is fighting a salmon in Sacramento. And this salmon does not want to give up. Now if he goes to run under the boat, what you'll do is you'll put the rod up in the water but keep the rod line really tight. Okay. Because we don't want him to rub against the bottom of the boat. Okay, come back over.
Tell me when you can see the fish in the water.
Over here. There we go. Beautiful.
Fucker, that is a fish.
Yes, it is. He's going to try to run under the boat. No, not yet. We're good. That's not going to be able to be it. There we go. Here he comes. Yeah. Up by the boat. Not yet. Good fish. Get close, what you're going to do is you will lift him up and not get his head towards me before I can do anything.
Okay, because he's got to essentially swim into the net, sort of.
Exactly.
Holy fuck.
Up. Nope. Got him. Woohoo! Okay. Well, wait, and pull me some line out of the reel. Ha 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 ha!
Got a big fish.
Alrighty, Michael got a big fish.